Happy Holi, my friends! Today we are diving into the magic, the colors, and the spiritual significance of one of the most vibrant festivals in the world, Holi. We all know the fun part, throwing colors, dancing, singing. But have you ever wondered कि हम होली क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? होली का दहन का सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है और रंगों का क्या महत्व है? Well, grab some sweet and namkeen and let's get into it. Let's start with Holika Dahan, the night before Holi. हम आखिर में बॉनफायर जलाते क्यों हैं? क्या ये आप जानते हैं? It is a story of faith, courage and love. सतयुग में there was a demon king named हिरण्यकश्यपु जो अपने आप को भगवान मानता था और नारायण जी को अपना दुश्मन. लेकिन his son Prahlad was one of the greatest devotees of Lord Vishnu. But Hiranyakashipu didn't like this at all. He tried everything in his power to stop Prahlad from praying to Vishnu, but failed every single time. And then one of the tricks was to get him burned alive through his sister Holika. Actually, Holika को special blessings थे that fire उनको नहीं जला सकती. Since she knew कि fire won't burn her, she decided to sit inside a bonfire with Prahlad in her lap. When Holika sat inside the bonfire, she was filled with pride that she will burn Prahlad to ashes, while she herself will be untouched by fire. On the other hand, little boy Prahlad simply trusted Bhagwan Vishnu and surrendered to him chanting loudly Jai Shri Hari. But the divine Lord Vishnu always has a way to protect the pure-hearted and his devotees. As the fire raged on, the game changed. The blessed Holika was burned to ashes, but Prahlad Maharaj emerged victorious from the fire without any damage. This victory of good over evil is what Holika Dahan symbolizes. We light the bonfire as a symbol of destruction of bad over good and to celebrate the triumph of dharma over adharma. After Holika Dahan, now let's talk about Rang Panchami. This is the day when people celebrate victory of Prahlad Maharaj, but they also come together to celebrate with colors, music and dancing. It's a celebration of love, unity and the joy of life itself. And guess who loves this day the most? Yes, Krishna Bhagwan. He is the master of colors and a lover of all things playful. But, क्या आप जानते हैं हम गुलाल और कलर्स के साथ क्यों खेलते हैं? दरअसल श्री कृष्ण जी ने द्वापर युग में होलिका दहन के दूसरे दिन पंचमी के दिन श्रीमती राधा रानी को गुलाल लगाया था पहली बार. कृष्ण जी ने राधा रानी के साथ रंगों वाली होली सेलिब्रेट की थी वृंदावन में. सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, उस वक्त सभी देवी देवताओं ने भी फूलों की वर्षा की थी एंड दे टू जॉइन टू प्ले रंगों वाली होली. From that time, this day is called Rang Panchami और कृष्ण पंचमी. इसी वजह से वृंदावन में the celebration of Rang Panchami is still a huge part of the Krishna culture, where devotees reenact the playful leelas of Krishna and Radha, sprinkling each other with colors to express their love and devotion. From that day on, people worship Radha Krishna with gulal and sprinkle other colors in the air to celebrate the positivity, victory and love for the divine and their loved ones. It is believed that even आज भी सभी देवी देवता अर्थ पर आते हैं to play Holi and spread the joy, positivity and newness in the air and lives of people. So, what's your favorite color for Holi? Drop it in the comments below and let's celebrate together. And hey, remember to stay safe and play Holi responsibly with organic colors. Let's keep the spirit of Holi alive with purity and devotion, just like Krishna would want. May the divine blessings of Lord Krishna fill your life with love, peace and happiness. Happy Holi to you all. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and tag your friends to spread the colors of love and knowledge. Jai Shri Krishna.